Flowmaster, the performance technology leader, introduces our new FlowFX catback exhaust system for the 2009 to 2019 Ram 1500s, also the 2019 Ram 1500 Classic models with the dual tailpipes and the 5.7-liter engine. This easy-to-install bolt-on catback exhaust system is manufactured using all-durable 409S stainless steel and features 3-inch inlet pipe leading into a single inlet, dual-outlet FlowFX straight-through muffler for a great sound and maximum performance. Then splits into a dual 2.5-inch mandrel bent tailpipes. The system is then finished off with a pair of large 4.5-inch black ceramic-coated 304S stainless steel tips, giving your truck a custom look that goes hand in hand with a deep performance FlowFX sound. The new FlowFX catback exhaust system delivers a deep, powerful tone inside and outside the vehicle with all the performance benefits that you expect from Flowmaster, and all Flowmaster systems are dyno tuned for maximum performance. If you're looking to give your Ram 1500 more attitude with a deep, powerful tone, then this system's for you. The kit includes all necessary parts and hardware and detailed instructions for a simple at-home installation and is covered by Flowmaster's lifetime limited warranty. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.